Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 6. Our today's lecture number is 43. Our topic is arithmetic part 1 from our short suggestion. From our short suggestion of annual term examination, I will solve today the first CQ question. That means the CQ question number 1. The question number 1 is given here. The question 1 is given here. Our lecture number is 43, but you have no homework today, okay? You have no homework today. Okay. The weight of a bucket full of water. The weight of a bucket full of water is 16.5 kg. 1/4 of the bucket contains water weighing 5 1/4 kg. Activity A is find the LCM of the given weights. We have to find out the LCM of the given weights in the stream. Activity B is if the weight of empty bucket is x kg, we have to suppose that the empty bucket's weight is x kg, then find an equation for the given fact. In the fact is given in the stream, we have to find an equation, okay. Activity C is what is the weight of the empty bucket. That means we have to find out the value of x, because x is the value of empty buckets, right. So now solution of A, we have to find out the LCM of the given fractions or the given weights. The given weights are what? The given weights are 16.5 kg. That's equal to, we can write down, we have to write down this mixed fraction into improper fraction. We can write down these as denominator is 2, denominator multiply the whole number, 16 multiply 2 is 32 plus 1 is 33, okay. And another fraction is what? Another weight is 5 1/4 kg, and we can write down these as 4 as our denominator, then 4 multiply 5 is 20, 20 plus 1 equal to 21. This is our second weight, okay. We need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction to calculate the LCM and HCF. We have to calculate the LCM of these given two weights, okay. So to calculate the LCM of the fractions, we know that we have to calculate the LCM of the numerators and HCF of the denominators. Now the numerators are 33 and 21. 33 and 21 from the given fractions. The numerators are 33 and 21, okay, and their LCM, and their LCM is how much? We have to find out the LCM of the two numbers. LCM is, we can do rough, 33 and 21, okay. We can divide both the numbers by 3, we will get 11 3s are 33 and 7 3s are 21. No other number can divide both the numbers 11 and 7. So our LCM will be 3 multiply 11 multiply 7. That's equal to 231. It's a simple multiplication. You can use the simple calculator to do this multiplication, okay. And now again we have to calculate the HCF of the denominator. Again the denominators are 2 and 4. Denominators are 2 and 4, and their HCF is, we have to find out the HCF of 2 and 4. we can do rough again, 2 and 4. So to find out the HCF, we have to divide both the numbers by the same number. We can divide these two numbers by 2. 2 goes in one time in 2 and 2 goes two times in 4. So our HCF of 2 and 4 is nothing but 2. So HCF of the denominators is 2. Okay. So now we have written down already the calculation of LCM of the numerator is done, the calculation of HCF of denominator is done, and we know the LCM of fractions, that's equal to what? We have to erase these. LCM of the numerators divided by HCF of the denominators. So it must be LCM is what? LCM is nothing but 231 and HCF is nothing but 2. So this is our answer of the given question. The question was, what is the LCM of the given weights? Okay. So our LCM of the given weights is 231 by 2. Now activity B, you have to solve activity B. If the weight of empty bucket is x kg, then find an equation for the given fact. The fact is given in the steam. The fact is what? The fact is when the bucket is full of water. When the bucket is full of water, its weight is 16.5 kg. But when the bucket is 1/4 full of water, then its weight is 5 and 1/14 kg. Okay. We have to let the weight of empty bucket is nothing but x kg. Okay, we have to let it, we have to assume it, because this is given in the activity B. Then we have to find an equation from this. How? Look, this is, suppose this is a bucket. This is a bucket. Okay, when this bucket is full of water, this weight is 16.5 kg. Okay, but when this bucket is 1/4 of water, that means this is 1/4 of water, then its weight will be 5 and 1/4 kg. Okay, but this bucket has a specific weight, and that weight is how much? That weight much is x kg. So from 16.5 we have to subtract x kg, then we have got what? We will get the total weight of only water. And when we subtract x from this 5 and 1/4, then we will get the water's weight only when the water is 1/4 of this bucket. Okay. Now write down the weight of the bucket, full of water, is 16.5 kg. Okay, so the weight of only water, okay, filled the bucket. That means when we subtract the bucket's weight from these whole buckets and water weight, we will get only the water's weight. That is what? That is 16.5 minus x kg. It is the weight of the total water in that bucket. It is the weight of the total water of that bucket. Okay. Again the 1/4. Again 1/4 of the bucket. 1/4 of the bucket contains contains water weighting how much? Weighting 5 1/4 kg. Okay, when it's 1/4 is filled up. Okay, so the weight of only water filled 1/4 of the bucket. 1/4 of the bucket is how much? We have to subtract x from 5 1/4. Then we will get the total weight of that 1/4 bucket water. Okay, this is kg. That means this is the weight of 1/4 water of that bucket. So we have to multiply these by 4. Then we will get the whole water's weight. Okay, so again now the weight of only water filled the bucket. Fill the bucket is how much? Fill the bucket is nothing but 4 multiply this one. That means 5 1/4 minus x multiply with by 4. This is the weight of the whole water, and this is also the weight of the whole water before we have calculated. That means these two weights are same. These two weights are same. That's why we can write down this one equal to this one. Okay, these two weights are same, so we can write down these two are equal. That means we have calculated already, so we can write down 16 1/2 minus x. This is equal to how much? This is equal to nothing but 5 1/4 minus x multiply by 4. This is our required equation. Okay, this is our required equation. You can write down this is our required equation, or write down answer here. I think you have understood. Now activity C. We are going to activity C now. What is the weight of empty bucket? What is the weight of empty bucket? We have to calculate it. That means we have to find out the value of x from this equation, because x is the weight of the empty bucket. So from B, now we can write down. We have to solve this equation only. Okay, and easily we can get the weight of the empty bucket. So activity C is from B we get how much? This equation, right? This equation is 16.5 minus x, that's equal to 5 1/4 minus x multiplied by 4. This is we get from activity B. Okay, now we have to solve this one, or for both the fractions need to be converted into improper fraction. So it's 233, okay, minus x. It's also equal to, it's 421 minus x multiplied by 4. Now look, that right side's multiplication by 4 with the both numbers. That means we have to multiply a 21 by 4 and we have to multiply x by 4. We will get how much? 21 by 4 multiply 4, okay, and minus x multiply by 4. Or we can write down 33 by 2 minus x, that's equal to how much? 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So it is 21. It's how much? It's nothing but 21. Minus 4 multiply x, that means 4x. Okay. Now we have to find out the value of x. That's why this x will be transformed to left side. Then this 4x has minus sign in front. While we transfer this into the left side, it will become as a plus sign, plus 4x. Okay. This minus x is in the left side, and we need to transfer this number 33 by 2 in the right side. That means 21 in the right side is already has. Now this 33 by 2 has plus sign in the front. When we transfer it into the right side, it will be a minus sign in front of the 33 by 2. Okay, this plus sign, no need to write down plus sign in front. That means it has plus sign. Okay, no sign, that means it has plus sign. Okay, now 4x minus x, Suppose this x is equal to cow. So 4 cows minus 1 cow equal to how much? Cow, 3 cows. That means 4x minus x equal to thrice x. That's equal to, it's a simple subtraction. The LCM is 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 multiply 21. It should be 42 minus 33. Okay. Now I am going to the right side. Okay. The equation is this one. I am writing this equation again. Thrice x, that's equal to 42 minus 33 divided by 2. Now thrice x is here, that's equal to 43. We have to subtract 33 from 42, it will be 9 by 2. Now we need only the value of x, so this 3 is to be removed from to the right side. That means x equal to this 3 is multiplied with x. When we transfer this x into right side, it will be divided. That means it is our numerator in the right side, it will be denominator in the right side. Okay, numerator in the left side, it will be denominator in the right side. Now 3 by cut it down, 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. The x value is 3 by 2, and 3 by 2 can be written down as x equal to 1 and 1 by 2. We can convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction. How? We have to divide this 3 by 2. 2 goes in one time, 2 ones are 2, its remainder is 1. So this improper fraction will be the whole number 1 and 1 as numerator, this 2 as denominator. Okay. So the weight of the empty bucket is what? Therefore the weight of the empty bucket is nothing but 1.5 kg, and this is our required answer. Okay, dear students, I think you have understood. Now I am going to tell you about your homework. Today you have no homework because by the instruction for the government, I will give you the assignment in very short time. Within very short time, the assignment topic will be given. Dear students, you should stay home, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you again. Allah.